Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to access and use Bitget Demo Trading. Bitget's Demo Trading account gives you your virtual funds to practice trading in real market conditions. All profits and losses are virtual only, so your actual assets are never at risk. You have USDTM futures, CoinM futures, or USDCM futures. The available list is way to change, so always check the platform for latest pairs. Now download and log into the Bitget app or the web version, then on the screen, tap Futures, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Demo Trading. Your demo account will be credited with virtual funds automatically. Now from Demo interface, select your trading pair. Set leverage and choose long if you expect the price to rise or short if you expect it to fall. Then enter the quantity and confirm the order. Now log in to the Bitget website and in the top navigation bar, hover over Futures and click on Demo Trading. Select your pair, set leverage, pick your order type and open long or short to simulate a trade. You can now safely practice futures trading on Bitget with demo mode before risking real funds. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.